Hi folks, this is Johnny Cash, and this Algebra 2 lesson will be on properties of logarithms. Let's go ahead and begin. So we've done exponential growth, we've done exponential decay, we did, what else did we do? We did evaluating logarithms. Okay, so this is properties of log. So here's the first rules, you guys. So if log base b of m times n, it's going to equal, you can separate them up as two logarithms with an addition sign, log base b of m plus log base b of n. Okay, and if it's a division or a fraction, then you separate them up with a subtraction sign. Okay, and then if you have an exponent involved, like this one right here, this exponent gets floated out in front and it gets multiplied. So that exponent k goes out in front and becomes multiplied. All right, so let's go ahead and let's use log base 4 of 3 that's approximately equal to 7.92, and log base 4 of 7, sorry. Log base 4 of 7 is approximately equal to 1.404, and we're going to evaluate each. Okay, so the first one, log base 4 of 3/7. Okay, using that second rule that we just saw, we're going to separate them up with a subtraction sign. Okay, now this is right here, so the 0.792 is going to go right here, and the 1.404 is going to go right here, and then we just subtract those two numbers and get negative 0.612. Nice and easy, huh? Okay, let's do this one. Log base 4, 21. Okay, well, 21 is equal to 3 times 7, so now I can separate those up as each logarithm of log base 4, 3 plus log base 4, 7, and then it's the addition of those decimals up there, so you get 2.196. All right, let's try log base 4 of 48. Now, 48 breaks down to all kinds of numbers. I'm going to choose 16 times 3. For one thing, you guys, since it's base 4, 16 is a power of 4, so that's why I chose 16. And they gave me 3, you guys, so I can separate 16 and 3 up with an addition sign, log base 4 of 16 plus log base 4 of 3. Now we know the decimal log base 4 of 3 is 0.792, and I changed 16 to 4 squared. And if you saw that last lesson, which was 7.4, then you can do the blah blah rule. As long as these numbers match up, you guys, this equals this exponent right here by 2, and I call it the blah blah rule. Okay, so that 2, this simplifies to 2, so 2 plus 7.792 is 2.792. Okay, log base 449. Okay, that's going to be log base 4, 7 squared, and that 2 comes out in front and multiplies. And they gave me the decimal log base 4 of 7 is 1.404, so you multiply it by 2, you get 2.808. Okay, so now let's take this expression and expand it, you guys. So what I'm going to do first is do the subtraction because you got a fraction, you guys. And then I'm going to simplify this. This is 5 times x cubed. So I'm going to separate the 5 times x cubed as two different logarithms with an addition sign. So remember, you can separate them if they're being multiplied right there. And then the last thing I'm going to do is float this exponent out in front right there. And so you get that as an answer right there. All right, so let's do this and let's go backwards. Let's condense it, you guys, okay? So what I'm going to do first is put this exponent right up there into the third spot right there. I think that's what I did first. Yep, that's what I did. Okay, so this 3 came from that 3 right there. All right, now what I'm going to do is this addition sign says I'm going to multiply these two guys. So I'm going to go ahead and put those together as a multiply right there. All right, and then so I changed 3 cubed to 27. And then this subtraction sign says it goes underneath as a division problem. So all of that multiplies and divides out to, I think it's 9. Yeah, so natural log of 9. Okay, so ln is just natural log. It's a code word for base e, you guys, base e. All right, and that's section 7.3. All right, so change of base formula. This one's kind of slick, you guys. So log base b of x is the log of x over the log of b, and these are base 10s, and your calculator can pick these up right here. Or you can change them to natural logs, you guys. So I always do log base 10s. I don't know why I'm so comfortable with this, you guys. So I'm going to change it just to log base. You'll see how this works. So use the change of base formula to evaluate each. So log base 5 of 13 becomes log of 13 over the log of 5. So pick up your calculator, hit log of 13, hit log of 5, and you get those two decimals, and then you divide them, and you get 1.594. Okay, do the same with this one. Log of base 1/4 of the 0.0013. So we separate them up. They become log base 10, which is just log of 10 of 0.0013 over the log of 10 of 1/4. And then I changed 1/4 to 0.25 on my calculator. And so I punched in log of 0.0013 and the log of 0.25 and it gave me these two numbers and divided them out and gave you that. Okay, and then depending on what year it is or what assignment it is or whatever you have in an appropriate class right there, those would be the homework assignments. So depending on what kind of mood I'm in, I'd assign either this one or this one. They're about equivalent assignments right there.